Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for the month ending Friday, June the 28th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look and see how these markets ended up. First, we're going to take a look at the spiders. And you can see here, we had that pullback earlier on, but then a nice recovery the last couple of days. We have a nice hanging man here candle, or spinning top, whatever you want to call it. So looking good on the weekly, but look at the monthly candles here. We were up in April, and then in May we tanked, and now we gained just about all of that back in May. So the spiders are looking very, very nice. And with that, we're going to go ahead and move on to the diamonds. And the diamonds, much of the same story here. We came down. I've got that spinning top candle for the day. More of a doji type for the week. But yet the monthly candle's right up there near the highs of April. So, and nearing all-time highs in all the markets there. So diamonds are looking very, very nice as well. And we're going to go ahead and move on to the Qs now and see how technology is doing. And with the technology, you can see here just consolidating a bit more the last few days here. We got that spinning top, got that, a little bit more of the body of that candle there on the weekly. And the monthly did not come back quite as high, but yet still looking very, very nice recovery for the Qs as well. And with that, we're going to go ahead and move on to Holly. And since we're looking at the whole month, we're going to bring in the spreadsheet. We did make some adjustments, so let me take this out for 1 second and show you. We have added a full risk column. So now with Holly, you have risk off, which is where you get in and out with Holly, is how that's maintained. And you can actually set this under any category you want. I have it set for 1 share per trade. So if you did 100 shares, just move your decimal point to the right on there. And then risk on is if you stayed in the trade till the end of the day, with the exception of if it hits the stop loss, then that number for that particular line will stop right there. Okay, it won't go up or it won't go down. Now, full risk would be getting in with Holly and riding it till the end of the day, regardless of whether it goes up or down, hit stops or whatever. And you can see here we had this EHTH today. Holly got in, she made her dollar profit, got out because the target got hit. And had you stayed in until the end of the day, you would have made $4.04 per share. So that was a very, very nice trade. But with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. And you can just stop the video and look at the Monday through Friday charts here. You can see the week here we ended out at 649 was the risk on was the best category. And if it's the full risk is the best, I always count the best of the risk off or the risk on as well. Risk on was the mode for the week, and full risk was the even better mode, 1268 there. Now if we go down here, if we take a look at our monthly totals, and once again I've highlighted the best as we go through the months where it was, and you can see where it was risk on the first 3 months, it was risk off for 2 months, then back to risk on in 2 of the segments, actually in all of the segments. So looked very good there, but we ended the month out at 462 trades. Our profit was $23.11. It was a risk on month. $29.90 was the profit, and $31.74 was the full risk. Since we did not have that, we don't have that for the first 5 months. Also, to let you know, they are going to be making some changes that should be out just about any time now. When we go on here, we can click whether it's the Holly Grail, the 2.0, or the Neo, and as you can see, I have it triplicated so I can see them all this is now going to have one that's going to say all. So you could have them all within one screen if you want, just to make it a little bit easier, less confusing, less charts on your window. So that is your Holly and Market update for June. I want to thank you for watching and encourage you to subscribe to these videos. Just click that pop-up that comes up on the top left. On the lower right there, you're going to see a little click. You can click to learn about some free stuff you can get from Trade Ideas to maybe enhance your trading just a little bit. And down below is some links to a bunch of things. So once again, thank you and God bless.